children, now let us learn how to write lowercase sound h. Okay, so we always begin by writing from the line. Okay, so I start from the line, going upwards, starting with the riser. Okay, now I take a slight turn and come straight down. Okay, that's straight down. Then go up again on the same line, and again take a turn and come down and end it with a descender. That's the tail. Okay. Now let us write once again. So always starting from the line, and I start with a riser going upwards. That is a slant line. Okay, slowly take a slight turn and come straight down. Touch the line. Okay, and now come up again on the same line, and this is the point where there is a joining. Okay, you take a turn from here. Come down and end it with a descender. That's the tail. Let us practice writing once more. Start with a riser going upwards, up, up, up. That's a slant line. Then make a slight turn and come straight down. And then we go up again on the same line till this joining point. Then take a turn, come down and end it with a descender. That's the tail. Okay, so this is the way we form the sound h, as in hat, h, hammer, h, hedgehog. Coming to our writing sheet, parents, please make a sheet exactly like this in your child's literacy notebook. Do not forget to mention today's date and the heading. That's the sound h. And this is the way the first block has to be made. In the first block, we write the sound h, giving the arrows for formation, how to form the sound h. The first row is simple dotted patterns. The second row, we can just give them few dots for mapping the letter. And the third row has to be left blank so that they can form the letter all by themselves. And this area is especially for children to draw few objects that begin with the sound h. Okay, so the first row is simple dotted patterns, children. So let us start writing with the dotted pattern so that you can understand how the formation of the sound h is done. Okay, so we start with the first one, always on the dotted patterns, starting with the riser going upwards, and take a turn and come straight down, and then go up again on the same line. Again take a turn, that's a bigger turn, come down and end it with a descender. Again the second one, same way, starting with the riser, join the dots, just follow the dots, go up, now you take a turn and come down. Again go up on the same line, don't leave your hand, then take a turn, come down and end it with a tail. Okay, third row, third column, sorry. We start with the riser going upwards, take a turn, come straight down, go up again, take a turn, come down and end it with the tail. Okay, so this was the dotted patterns. Now we will simply map the dots so that you can just get an idea how this letter was formed. So my starting point is given, yes, and this is a slant line going upwards, so I join this, then take a turn, and come straight down, go up again, take a turn, come down, and end it with the tail. Yes, now coming to the second column, again I join the dots. From here I take a turn and come straight down, go up again, take a turn and end it with a descender. Coming to the third row column, again I join 2 points and then make a turn and come straight down, go up again, take a turn, come down and end it with a tail. Yes. And then I come to the third row. Okay, so we start writing from here. So I start from the line going upwards. Now take a turn, come straight down, go up again, go up again, take a turn and end it with a tail. Okay, now coming to the second column, again you start with a riser going upwards, take a turn, come straight down, go up again, take a turn, end it with a tail. Okay, now coming to the third and the last box, I again start with a riser going upwards, take a turn, come straight down, go up again, take a turn and end it with a tail. Yes, so this is the way I want you to complete the writing area for the sound H. And then children, I want you to draw at least 2 objects that begin with the sound H. Yes, okay, and I want you to complete this sheet and submit it tomorrow. Okay, and I want you to keep practicing writing the sound H throughout the week at home. Yes, so that you can form the sound more nicely, more better with every practice. Okay children, happy learning. Bye.